umbrella, all the succulents you gave me from the wedding. Some wildflowers are growing in there. My little bare grass that came back after the construction. That's a crepe myrtle. Not doing so great, but doesn't get enough sun. That's a Japanese, I can't pronounce the second part of it, but that's doing really good since I planted it. All my little grasses seem to be doing really good. And I plugged in all the vinca, so hopefully that spreads all over, interspersed with all the bare grass and all the annual honesty that grows in. It's gonna be all purple when all the annual honesty comes in. And that's some sort of holly that I planted. Seems pretty happy right there, even though it probably doesn't get enough sun. There's our little blue spruce. Wildflowers are starting to come in from last year. And all the native wildflowers are just going crazy. Those are goose something or other. I can't remember. I have it in my plant app. But those are all the annual honesty that grow naturally. They're growing in between all my vincas. My Perry agave, tolerating the cold weather. And I planted some wildflowers there, but it's too soon. Too soon. And my steps are just filled with wild whatever. I'm just gonna let it go until summertime. My honeysuckle is happy, my Japanese honeysuckle. More wildflowers. Chrysanthemums up there, lilac. But yeah, the garden is looking happy because it's spring.